Hanoi, located in Vietnam, is a vibrant and bustling city offering a unique combination of rich history, fascinating culture and stunning scenery. As the capital of Vietnam, Hanoi is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Using a drone to photograph Hanoi from above provides travelers with an extraordinary way to appreciate the beauty and charm of this remarkable city. Hanoi's landscape is characterized by a charming combination of ancient architecture and modern infrastructure. The city boasts numerous lakes, parks, and tree-lined streets that create a tranquil atmosphere amidst the hustle and bustle. Tourism plays an important role in Hanoi's economy, attracting visitors with a variety of attractions. From historical sites such as the famous Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum and the Temple of Literature to cultural attractions such as the Old Quarter with its narrow streets filled with stores and traditional houses, everyone will find something to explore. Travelers often praise Hanoi for its friendly locals and vibrant atmosphere. Travelers can find a variety of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to inexpensive guest houses throughout the city. Hanoi offers a charming blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an authentic Vietnamese experience. Whether exploring historical sites or enjoying culinary delights, Hanoi promises an unforgettable journey filled with exciting discoveries at every turn.